Hey Collision, I'm V from Mandragora and the Cement Garden. I've been playing drums for around 10 years now, and I use the Collision 2B stick. I really love the weight and the size of this stick. It really helps you get enough power out of every hit, and the texture just helps you really get a good grip on it, so when your hands are sweating you're not going to be chucking your sticks around all over the place. I really love supporting UK drum companies wherever I can as well, so knowing that Collision are UK based is just a big bonus for me, and having access to that community, everyone is so nice. It's just really a big plus. Today I'm going to be showing you a cover of Trivium's Pull Harder on the Strings of Your Martyr, one of my favourite songs of all time, and I hope you enjoy.